Hello my friends, my name is Vasily and I am a US engineer. Today we are going to do interesting things, right? I want to start one more series. If you're checking my videos, right, you already know that I started lots of series, right? And this is one more series. So I want to make a real attempt to try other mobile technologies. So why other? Because I am a US engineer. So for me, I think it would be interesting to try mobile development for using different technologies, right? So, and today we are going to try Flutter. It will not be like a really start from scratch because I already played with Flutter. As I correctly remember, it was Flutter 2. Right now we will check. Maybe we already have Flutter 3. I do not know. Like, everything is possible. So, and my target will be like this. So we will create a hello world application, run it, and then I want to modify it. Very simple. I want to have like a button on the screen, on center of the screen, like any button with any text. We will make a decision later what text would be there. And I want to click on it and see alert. English engine again is not working. Okay, so on the alert we may have some text and like button, one button or two buttons. I mean, never mind. So it's just testing, right? Maybe Flutter already different that I remember, and also I do not think that I also keep in my head like all Dart syntax. Like Dart is a language that's used in Flutter, right? So I will try to refresh my memories and try to make this video fun, I hope, and also for me and for you. Yeah, I think that is enough and we can start. So, let me switch to another screen. Okay. Right now we have here Chrome, and let's start doing something. Oh, first of all, let's check. Oh, I need to create one more from scratch, right? New window here. Of course, I need to put it here. So, as I correctly remember, I do not know, do I have Flutter tools installed on this machine? Let me check. And as I correctly remember, to double check what's going on with your tools, right? With Flutter, we can write something like Flutter Doctor. First of all, do we have a Flutter? Oh, you see, like something is working. Oh, okay. Flutter up. So today we are going to skip this all installation work since I have it. Okay, and we also, as I correctly remember, have a Flutter Doctor. Okay, I will run it too. So on these videos, I am planning to, I don't want to focus on real like iOS views or non-iOS view. I mean, I do not plan to make Flutter looks like a native iOS application because Flutter is a different tool and we should use different tool as tool developers suggest to us, right? Flutter, as I correctly understood, how I feel for myself. Maybe after several of these videos, we will check. I will change my decision, what I think about Flutter. But right now, I feel that when you use Flutter, you do not need to focus to create specifically the same design what we have on iOS, right? Like a standard iOS interfaces, buttons, and so on. So many applications right now in App Store, they do not follow like Apple guidelines, right? HIG, Human Interface Guidelines. Oh, you can Google. If you do not know what is this, you can Google it. So again, HIG, Human Interface Guidelines. Okay. Flutter Doctor. Okay. Let's double check it. Okay. So Cocoa is not installed. So I need to install Cocoa. Let's do it. You see? Let me return here. Oh, actually, let me check. Is it big enough? I think I can make it much bigger, right? And here. Okay, let's run. Let's install it. My password. I hope you didn't know. You didn't look at it, so you do not know my password and passport. Yeah, guys. Right now is evening. Yeah, you can look at my... Oh, what do you think about my background? I will try to play with the lights, try to set different colors, right? You can suggest me like, hey, it's cool or it's bad. Okay. So what we're doing right now. So when we use Flutter Doctor, this command will tell us that, hey, you have everything for Flutter applications and you can work on them, right? So no problem with them. I already run it, and Flutter Doctor said that everything is okay except Cocoa Pods, right? So right now I'm installing Cocoa Pods, then I will run Flutter Doctor again. I am checking that you can see the command line. Okay, Android toolchain. We are not going even to read it. I'm kidding. One day I will write something for Android. Actually, it will be interesting, right? Like, do you want me to create some videos about Android? I have no idea how it is working. Yeah, I interacted with different Android engineers. We talked about concepts. It's kind of the same, but again, like, you cannot easily jump from iOS to Android, right? Native platforms. Even if we talk about Kotlin, that is modern, sexy, the same as Swift, right? I mean, modern languages, they have lots of syntax sugar and they kind of the same, right? You feel, when you type something on a Swift, you feel that Kotlin is near. It's not exactly the same, but it is near, right? That is my opinion. If you think different, comments, you can write some hey Vasily, blah blah blah, and so on. Okay, so looks like we have everything. We have everything to create a Flutter application, right? Let me create a new project. No. So get started file. So as I correctly remember, it is command P, right? And we can write a command Flutter new project. Okay, what it would be? It would be model package plugin skeleton. Okay, it would be application. So everything what I'm doing right now, you can see it on a live. It is live work, right? So I don't remember how it is working. Where is my Flutter application? Again, common. Okay. New or recently used. Okay, I click on it. Okay. Oh, no. Yeah, like first move, right? Like we have already like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes. Still not so my videos about that. If you are planning to learn Flutter and to try to get a normal material, right? So my videos just for fun. They're not prepared, they're not professional, right? You will not receive compressed material. I will probably make billions of mistakes. Yes, in English, in Dart, in Flutter, everywhere, right? So please, if you want to learn Flutter and Dart language, try to find like normal courses that was created for that purpose, for learning purpose. I'm creating video just for fun, right? Okay. Oh, maybe I need to write okay, new project. Which Flutter template? Application. Right? I want to create application. Why it is not working? Maybe I need to update some of the extensions. Flutter, Dart, it's already installed. Flutter already installed. Okay. Maybe new. It is weird, right? Okay, file. Let's create new project. So new file, open. Okay, open folder. Yeah, everything is different, right? If we compare with Xcode. So let me create a folder somewhere in my workspaces, right? So so I will do it here. Yeah, so, and I will put it here. So file, open folder. What is going on? There is a big chance that I cannot see something, right? Isn't it? Okay, if I close it and try again, maybe that is the reason. I detected one interesting problem. So you can see that I use display link, this thing, to copy that screen. So I rendered it. I copy it to my, oh my god, my English, to my screen, to my display, right? And also I duplicate it to the capture card that I can record it. So yeah. Okay, what I wanted to create Flutter application. New project, application. Maybe right now it, okay, no. Let's restart it. Maybe I need to restart because I just updated Flutter, right? So new project, application. No. Oh, yep, finally. So let me try to find it. Hello, Flutter. No. I'm going to create. Where I'm going to create it? So it would be developer. It would be something like here. I don't know. So where is it? Yeah, I'm too slow. Oh my god, I'm too slow right now. Okay. Great. Okay, and application. Right now it would be hello Flutter. Yeah. Hello Flutter. And of course, I'm going to share, yes, trust. Hey, Forni. I imagine my cat somewhere here. Oh, you can see him. Oh no, you cannot see him. He's right here near the door, right? Yeah, like, hey, Forni, wonderful cat. He want to attract Forni, not right now, please. So let's run it, right? We just created this Flutter application and let's run it. Start debugging and see what would happen. Right? As I correctly remember, oh, I can. Wait. Let's stop it. I want to launch simulator, right? And I want to run it on simulator. iPhone 14 Pro. Okay, and let's run it on. No, so file. Interesting. All right. So again, start debugging. Oh yeah, I just select. Yes, I need to select here destination. Probably it could be like Mac application, iOS application, and so on. Right? iOS device, Mac OS device. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Yeah, evenings. Okay, so we're waiting for running Xcode. Oh, and what do we have right now? Let me check. Do I remember how it is working? Right, we have iOS, Android build. Oh, also macOS. We already have macOS. Yeah. I need to check my old projects. I mean, my old projects, they are not very big. I mean, if we're talking regarding Flutter, right, they are just simple. I try to make some small applications to understand how it is working. Oh, and I had a wonderful behavior. So, when I first time launched Flutter, it was like 2 years ago. And on that period, I never tried SwiftUI. And I came to the SwiftUI world after learning Flutter concepts, right? How it is organized, like the declarative style and so on. So, yeah, that was a difference. And I saw like, hey, it's like a Flutter, like lots of cool concepts that in a Flutter I meet in SwiftUI, right? I don't want to start this conversation about like who created ideas first. Forni, come here. Okay, I will invite this wonderful cat. Oh, go here, come here. Sorry, guys, this Mr. always wanted to be here, right? Can you sit here? Please. Just sit here. Yeah, I know you can. Please, do not go. I think like last 3-4 videos we have this wonderful guy in our video, right? We can see him. Like he always decided to visit our recording, right? Okay, let me try. Oh, wonderful. Okay, we have something. So, and what is my plan? As I said, my plan right now to change a text, and if I do not remember how to do that, I will what I will do? I will Google it, right? Okay, widget and inspector. Right now I'm not going to use it, right? I hope you can. Is it big enough for you guys? I think that kind of okay, right? I hope. So, what we're going to do right now? This is our Flutter app, and right now I want to change it. I want to have here a button, and I want to click on it, right? So we have our main Dart. We have here, as I correctly remember, we have stateless widget and stateful widget. Oh, right. Okay, so first of all, let me try to play with it, right? We have my home page. Let's create new folder and name it as a pages, right? Pages. Maybe let's use small letter. Again, I don't have a specific plan what to do, right? So, and I want to create new file. It would be my page dart. Oh, not my home page. So, and of course I need this material. Yes, that's what I was talking about. Like, I don't want to make Flutter specifically looks like iOS, because I mean I do not need to spend so much effort, right? We have lots of different applications and in App Store, and Flutter is just another tool, right? And here we want to explore it. If you do not know, right, probably I need to refresh my memory. So we have my app, and in my app we have my home page. First of all, I will move it from here. So wait, what is this? Yep, this is correct. My home page, I will put it here, and it will be not my home page. Let me refactor it. It will be refactor. No refactor. I'm sorry. How can I rename? Oh, rename. Okay. It would be just home page. Wonderful. So, and here we have my home page. Okay, and probably we automatically included it here, right? Homepage.dart. Okay, let's restart application and see what do we have here. Wonderful. So first of all, let's change title to Hello Flutter. Yep, I'm sorry for this. Hello Flutter, right? Oh, and let me check. Is it like oh my god, how it's named? Yep, I forgot. Programmer's term. Null safe. Yep. Is it null safe or not? I do not remember. So publish. Let me double check, because I want to write something. I want to write null safe. Okay. Let me create another screen right now. Yep, and I want to create one more window, incognito window. Okay, and null safe. Flutter null safety, right? And let me make everything bigger. So how we? Yeah. I think I know the concept of null safety. I hope I know it. I just want to know how to use it. Null safety. So Dart migrate. So migrating existing peg. Dart migrate. Migrating to null safety. Understanding null. Okay, migrating to null safety. Wonderful. So Dart minus. Okay, so let's do the same. Probably we are good, I think so, right? Let me make everything bigger for you guys. So if I return back to I cannot do like swipe here because of the display link. Okay. Actually, sorry guys, I will move this here to another screen to make it a little bit faster, right? So Dart version, let's check it. I'm doing the same, like I'm doing everything online, right? I'm not prepared. I just want to repeat it always. Okay, and right now let's try to run this command dart pub outdated. Dart part outdated mode null safety. And okay. To disable this Dart disable analytics. So feature inside statistic. Prove the Dart platform. Okay. So all dependencies declare support for. Okay, how we can move to null safety. Okay. I think we can run this Dart pub upgrade null safety, right? Let's do that. This is command, right? You can see it. Dart pub upgrade null safety. Let's do this. Woohoo! Wonderful. It's pretty good, right? Okay, and also we can run something like Dart pub outdated. Oh, current upgradable up to date, everything up to date. Hey, why it is red? Red is I'm scared. I'm scared to looking at red strings, right? Red is always bad. I mean, write in the comments like it looks like okay, right? Flutter guys, if you know that is okay, please type something in the comments. Okay, looks like we have it. Right now, let's go to their our homepage, right? And let's type something. First of all, let me remove this. Okay, I'm extra slow today. Since this thing Flutter concept is not in my head, right? I need to refresh my memory. That is all make me super slow. Okay. And evening, right? After work, after hard work, yeah. So first of all, I do not need this. I do not need this counter, right? So let's remove this counter. And also first of all, let me just comment it, right? And we can check it that everything is not working right now. No, it is working. Let me restart application. What? I cannot understand. Let me run it again. Oh, we have an error, and that is the reason why it didn't change. Okay, and this text we're going to remove. We do not need it right now. Okay, let's remove it. And yeah, let's remove also this. I will keep this increment just to remember what to do. And I need to run it on the iOS device. Okay. So, okay, and let's run it. I think I can click on run. iPhone 14, right? Oh, this is another way how we can start, right? I can select here this destination and click run start debugging, or I can click directly on this play button, right? Okay. So I need to create button, right? Let's try to do that. I do not need a widget inspector. Yeah, I think I still remember something. Wonderful. So, first of all, we need to write some code. Let's remove all of this. Right? Yeah. Comments, text. This is everything fantastic. But for us, we want to have fun. We don't want to read any hints. We want to see wonderful code. Okay. What we are going to do next? Can we format it? How should I format this? Oh, Option Shift F, right? This is format. But why it? Okay, let's keep it. So let's add some button, right? It would be a button, button element, button bar. Okay. So if we try to write text, we can see this. Okay, view. Button activate intent, button bar, button style, button bar, no, button style, no, button theme, no. So and that activates the current focus. Okay, I just need a regular button. Can you give me back button? Text button, icon button. Oh, that's what I was looking for. Let's try to type text button, that it can help me. Text button, right, it can help me with autocomplete. Child, and here we may have more widgets. Right, on pressed, can we use this button pressed? Right. Let me try to understand. Yeah, we can use like this reference to the command. Okay, you see, like I do not remember lots of things, but it could be kind of intuitive, right? So floating button, we do not need that. Alright, we do not need that. Right, for I can remove it. So floating button is part of the scaffold, right? Will that work? And child, we will have a widget, right? It is going to be widget, and or what is going? It will be text, right? Text. Probably it would be like hello. Hello, right? Hello. So, and we will do like this, and we will put everywhere comma as suggested here. What I like here, I like this. I feel the comments, suggestions, like also this thing, formatter, everything going from a box. That is cool. I do not need to try to find any other third-party solutions that will help me to learn Flutter, that will give me suggestions. Hey, that code style is better, or like something is wrong here. You can see, for example, right now I have a warning, right? Quick fix, can we do it? I do not remember ID with constants, probably we need to learn it, refresh it. Okay, can we print something here? Will that work? Let me try to run it. And when we click on it, where is my terminal? Terminal, window, new terminal, right? Output, and when we click on this, okay, let's restart it, right? Okay, SQL console, no problems, no terminal, no debug console. Oh, here we are, debug console. We can see, yeah, we can see this line, wonderful. But we again have here, okay, avoid print calls in production code. Oh, that is cool, actually. I mean, so as a new developer, I'm learning, right? And here we have a direct like suggestions. Okay, let's quick fix it. How to fix it? Make condition, ignore, avoid print, remove print. Okay, what is here? Debug mode. Oh, it's kind of property, right? And we need to add this property. Debug mode. Okay, but we do not need it for right now. Let's continue. So we have here this, right? What I'm going to do, I'm going to understand how to create alerts. Okay, and for this thing, right, for this wonderful thing, I can try, but I'm not sure that it could work. Alert dialog, right? Oh, so many things. Okay, probably it would be faster to Google, right? It would be faster to Google how to use it. Okay, where is, oh, I moved this screen. Okay, so alert dialog, Flutter, alert dialog, API. Let's try to find an example. Okay, we have this on press navigator. Oh, we have to use navigator, wonderful. Navigator, and we have here builder. So future, oh, we have to use future. Okay, let's just copy and see what do we have here. So I'm going to open this. So, and we can add one more function here, right? Like show dialog. So let's also remove this, we do not need it. And then of course we will create dialog as a separate file, of course. So what would happen? So much space, right? Okay, so if I put this dialog here, right? Let's check what is gonna happen. Refresh, then go here and click OK. Can I use, since as I correctly understood, when we have setState, we change state, right? Inside this closure, function, lambda, pick any word what you want. We do not change a state. Again, everything what I'm talking, this is my understanding. If I'm wrong, please help me to understand it better, right? Comments. So, since we do not change, we change nothing, can we try to do to use it directly, right? Let me restart application and we can click on hello. Wonderful. So we do not need this button pressed function, right? Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to double check how it is working. We have button. Yeah, let's use button. Okay. And let's change text. So yeah, interesting. It was faster than I expect. I expect to spend like whole this video to just to figure out how it is working, and that is good. Hello Flutter. Okay. Let me run it again. Hello Flutter, and title would be hello. Okay, so very simple. Okay, and what could we do? Let's create like another file, right? It could be new folder. For right now, let's keep a flat structure. I don't like flat structure. Flat structure means I have pages, then I have alerts folder, then I have like views. So maybe I need to create as a component, right? Never mind. Let's create just new folder. New folder dialogs, right? And here we're going to create hello Flutter dialog. New file. Hello Flutter dialog. Oh, dialog. This, right? I'm looking at this spelling, right? Okay, and it should be, of course, it should be .dart. Ooh. So, and right now we need to create a stateful widget. Stateless. Again, stateful. Create a stateful widget. Awesome Flutter. Oh, it's snippet. So stateful with state. Stateless without state. State when you need to, like, is if you remember, like what I'm thinking right now. Why it's not stateful? Because I just copy paste this function, right? And that is it. I didn't create any property like here, right? We also can remove this. I didn't create any property here to create this dialog, right? Okay, and we can take this whole alert and put it directly here. Okay, probably we need to import material, right? Material.dart. Okay, I can do this. Do not worry, Flutter. Everything is gonna be wonderful. Name. Okay, rename symbol. Hello world dialog. Okay, and right now I'm doing the same. I'm just copying this part, and put it here. Can it work? On pressed pop. Okay. No, it didn't rename. Okay. Hello, Flutter. You can do this. You can do this, right? Really? Okay. Hello, Flutter dialog. Okay. So, and right now, what I'm planning to do? So, since this is future, we still need this function, but instead of having all of this code, we will do like this: hello Flutter dialog, right? But what would be an interesting question right now? Do we need, we have super key, so this stateful widget created with some kind of parameters. Let me check. Super key. Okay, let's go here and see how we create it, how we use this. Home page. When we create home page, we do not set this super key. So I am trying to be logical to understand how it is working without Google, but my explanations are bad right now. So again, do not use my explanations as a tutorial, right? So better if you can Google it. Okay. Quick fix. Oh, maybe this. No. Quick fix. Yeah, I need to learn about this const. Again, let's read it. So prefer const with a constant constructor. Const means maybe it's not view problem. Okay. I remember something like this, like a cup. Maybe we will read it. I don't know how much time it will take more today. Maybe this is one thing that we can Google together and understand. So let me check that we have this. Okay, hello Flutter. And we do not need that text, right? Yeah, just hello Flutter. Okay, so actually that is it. It is very simple. Let me check. Oh, I mean, regularly I'm trying to record videos for 1 hour, so we still have time, right? Let's Google what is this const. So what I'm doing, again, I just want that you understand like each my step. Right now I'm going to Google. If you do not know how to find correct information, how to fix your problems in the code, maybe you can get some ideas from me, maybe not. So Flutter const, right? Let's start with this. The Flutter const. Okay, keyword, wonderful. Oh, and this is article on Medium. Okay. Let's understand. The const keyword is used when the value of the variable is known at compile time and never changed. Okay. In other words, the compiler knows, okay, in advance what value is to be stored and what to be variable. Okay, so we just notify compiler. Wonderful. So that's it. So let me go here. And what is my plan? My plan would be to do something like this on using different tools. Probably we have other mobile technologies that we can use on iOS and Android, right? And I will try all of them just for iOS. Let's start for iOS. Like, this topic is extremely huge, like multi-platform programming, right? Or just other tools not native iOS tools, right? So sorry Android guys, if you are looking for my videos and you are looking for some ideas, actually you can write it in the comments. How many time I ask you to write a comment, so of course do not write. I'm planning to pick more tools. Next video probably would be soon, I hope so. And we can explore, I think we can try React Native, right? I mean, why not? Why not to have this fun? And I will do the same. I will try to do the same, but the problem that I have much less understanding about React Native, so next video could be very long for the end, like where to get a smaller result. Yeah, I need to stop because I think my English engine will be disabled in a couple minutes. So thank you for watching. I hope you can get something, some information, some ideas, maybe some inspiration to try to do this. If you're a new engineer, probably you can look how I'm thinking, right? For me, like if I'm talking about my level of Flutter, it's like a junior, right? If you're a junior Flutter engineer, probably we're on the same page and you will learn something and you also can teach me, right? So if you're a senior engineer and you are just looking like perspective from native development, how what ideas I have in my head. So I can summarize about Flutter. It's pretty the same. Lots of concepts that I can find in SwiftUI. If I compare with iOS and UI kit world without without reactive part, right? Without RX Swift or combine, Flutter looks very different, right? It's absolutely not the same, and you will try to fight with this. But if you know React programming, you try it React programming, or at least know a concept. You understand the idea of state, right? Of like state machine, where you have property and when you change this property, change the value, it will notify views to update something, right? If you know that concept, Flutter will be like pretty not very difficult, right? Yeah. Okay, I think that's it for right now. Write your ideas, write your suggestions, write your anything what you want. Have a wonderful rest of the day. See you in the next video.